Let's turn a tea wrapper into a cute mini Easter basket. Fold along and have ton. Got a used tea wrapper? Don't toss it, fold it. Today, we're giving new life to paper waste with this adorable mini origami Easter basket made entirely from a used tea bag wrapper. Upcycling doesn't have to be boring, it can be cute, clever, and calming. Step by step, fold with intention. Each crease transforms trash into treasure. Origami isn't just paper folding, it's mindful, joyful creation. And when it's made from materials you would have thrown away, even better. This basket is perfect for holding tiny treats, mini eggs, or simply as a sweet handmade Easter touch. So next time you sip your tea, save that wrapper and turn it into something beautifully useful. Happy folding, and happy Easter! Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more eco crafts plus origami magic.